hopefully we can get our laundry done before the guy comes to check out the furnace. So, furnace guy's coming to check out this lovely, lovely furnace of ours. I don't know. Be here later, I guess. I don't know. Laundry's done. Oh man, it's cold out there. Froze my hands. Really got to start wearing my gloves. I don't know why I don't. It's just lazy, not thinking about it. I don't know. But yeah. Yeah. Well, we had everything in a metal cart, so it was just, yeah, the handle was cold. I think that's main issue there. But on the way home, I took one of the laundry bags and I wrapped it around the handle, and I pulled it that way, so it wasn't too bad coming home. But holy crap, froze my fingers on the way there. So I'm sitting here being a nobody watching Dave's vlog. And then I look behind me and I see this. Sammy, Boxer, and Lola curled up on the couch together with a big giant monkey. It's cold in here. But yeah, so the guy was supposed to come at 3 o'clock to look at our heater. And it's after 4 o'clock now. Still hasn't shown up. It's still freezing in this frickin' house. And we're putting everything, like I was supposed to go out and get something for supper. Putting that off, waiting for this guy. And I could have gone to the store and back. I could have left at 3 and been back by now, maybe half an hour ago. And this stupid freaking heater guy isn't even showing up. It's like, what the hell? Anyway, I called the landlady, whatever, and she is trying to figure out what's going on. So thank you for that. I doubt she watches my vlogs. But anyway, thanking her for that, because somebody's got to do something around here. I don't even know what company she called. And he's finally here. He's fixing an air conditioner in the winter. That's weird. Okay, so he turned off the furnace here, right? And you've got it all, whatever. There's the pilot light. But this belt right here, see, belt broke off of the motor, and that's what's causing the heat to get trapped into the basement and make the rest of the house an icebox. And now he's calling the landlady and telling her that she needs to get newer furnaces, because these are 60-year-old furnaces. She keeps putting money into getting them fixed, but it would probably save her in the long run to buy brand new furnaces, replace these. I don't know. It's worth a try. I mean, if he calls her and tells her that, opposed to me calling her and telling her that, she might actually do it. Who knows? So he cleaned out both of the furnaces. I'm in the other side of the basement right now because he left and then he came back and oh, I forgot to turn on the other furnace. So this is the other furnace in here. It's like, look at that. Janitrol Pace Setter by Moffett. The dude said that he's never even seen a furnace like this. Ever. So, yeah. He's expecting, or he's estimating that this was built in about 1940 something. You know, in the 40s, like 1946. That's what he said, 1946. So, here's a little fun thing for you to do if you want. Look up Janitrol Pace Setter by Moffett and see if you can find a manufacturer date for these. He closed it up, so I can't get to the serial number. I'm not even going to try. But I am going to flick this switch and turn it on. It's supposed to turn on. Hello, Mr. Furnace. Yeah, that just shows right there how old it is. Takes a while for it to finally go poof and turn on. I remember the other day I went to flick this on and waited and waited and waited, and then all of a sudden, boom, it started up. So yeah, it takes a while, and I'm rambling. I gotta go and get stuff for supper now. But before I go and get stuff for supper, this furnace here, okay, the one that's causing us the problems, the one with the broken motor, the broken belt thing here. Here's the belt. It's like all cracked and everything. But anyway, here's the belt. Alright, snapped off. 4L400. Yeah. Anyway, yucky. This furnace, on the inside, it says that it was manufactured in 1961. So it's 53 years old. Wow. These need to be replaced. Pronto. So, I got all the stuff needed to make sloppy joes. So I guess we're having sloppy joes for supper tonight. That's gonna be awesome. Damn, it's cold outside. I'm going back out there. I'm crazy. I am crazy. Right? I want frostbite on my nose again, just like last year. No, I don't. Anyway, I jumped the gun and I asked on Facebook if anybody knew the manufacturer date for that furnace down there. And Dave Nicholson, of course, responded with 1951 until today, but the logo looks like it would have been designed around 1972. So if that furnace was built in the 70s, then that's actually newer. It's actually newer than the furnace on our side, which was manufactured in 1961. So, whatever. It's still old and it still needs to be replaced. So, I am making my sloppy joes. Yeah. I don't know. I've started getting into the show called Haven. And it's about like it's a town that's full of like different supernatural things. So I'm watching that. I'm gonna be watching that while I eat my sloppy joes. And then after I eat my sloppy joes, then I will edit and save this vlog. And while I'm doing that, I'll watch Raw. Hopefully. Hopefully. Yeah. The website that I watch it on uploads it after the show. So it's got to be yeah. And it just pretty much just started, so I don't know. I'll probably watch a bunch of Haven episodes. I don't know. Till about 10:30 or 11 or so. And then I'll edit and save this vlog because it's pretty long. I'm making it longer now. So all this meat all over the place. I'm going to go and you enjoy the rest of your day. Oh, by the way, Dr. Pepper. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day. Check out the links down below. Take it easy.